बांट दिया इस धरती को, बांट दिया इस धरती को, चांद सितारों का क्या होगा। रख दिए नाम कुछ नदियों के, बहती धाराओं का क्या होगा। रख दिए नाम कुछ नदियों के, बहती धाराओं का क्या होगा। शिव की गंगा भी पानी है, आबे जमजम भी पानी है। पंडित भी पिए, मुल्ला भी पिए, पानी का मजहब क्या होगा। पूछो उन फिरका परस्तों से, पूछो उन फिरका परस्तों से, क्या सूरज अलग बनाओगे, क्या सूरज अलग बनाओगे। एक हवा में सांस है सबकी, क्या हवा भी नहीं चलाओगे, क्या हवा भी नहीं चलाओगे। खुदा ने मंदिर तोड़ा था या राम ने मस्जिद तोड़ी है, ये प्रश्न है आपसे, पूछ के देखो क्या मजहब अलग अलग होता है। दिल से पूछना, बात आएगी। एक है खुदा, एक है अल्लाह, एक है भगवान। With this, a beautiful good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen. Today I am here, Soumya Singh, presenting myself in front of you all. Thank you, Mr. Capsule, for having me a chance presenting myself in a group of most beautiful and talented youths of our nation. I am going to talk on not a topic, it's a sensitive emotion of each and every person which binds your heart with your mind, which binds you with other person, which binds yourself to your soul. If we are going to talk on religion, there are so many things come in our mind. We are Hindu, we are Muslim, we are Sikh, we are Christian. India is a great heritage where so many religions of people are living peacefully. But according to me, it is only a so-called sentence that we are living peacefully. Actually, we are not living peacefully. Each and every person is fighting on religion, that their religion is superior to other religion. Whether it is Hindu, whether it is Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jains, Buddhist and other. Religion is only the thing which enrich you culturally, spiritually and which make you a perfect man. It is not a thing which can apart you from life. Religion is only the pace which builds your spirituality, which builds your mentality. In India, there are 79.02% of Hindus, 14.02% of Muslims, 2.1% of Christian, 0.7% of Buddhism, 0.4% of Sikhism. And they all are the strength of India when they all are bind together but not separated with each other. And if they are bind, no one can separate us. But if they are fighting on religion, then we are separate, we are not united, and our diversity will be totally spoiled. We should eradicate the discrimination between the religions, because if you think that you are very religious, so according to me, if you are religious, then where is the religious knowledge which says that no any religion is superior than other, or every religion gives the lesson of humanity. Guys, please could you let me know in which book there are so many people are sitting, some are Hindu, some are Muslim and of other religion. Could you please let me know in which holy book of religion it is mentioned that my religion is superior than you and any other religion is inferior to me, to mine religion, and humanity is not the religion. Disrespecting any other religion. It is in the holy book of Bhagavad Gita, it is in the Quran Sharif, it is in the Bhagavad Gita, it is in the Quran Sharif, it is in the Bible, holy book Bible, it is in the even Pali canon of Buddhism, or it is the niche, our holy book of our nation, the Constitution of India. Anyone? In any book it is mentioned that are to disrespecting any other religion? No, definitely it is not. In any book it is not mentioned disrespecting any other religion. Even in the Constitution of India gives you a power, gives you a freedom following your religion from Article 25 to 28, in which you are free to follow your religion, but it's not your right disrespecting any other religion what you are doing right now. You all are fighting on religion just because that you think your religion is superior to other. If you are religious, then follow the humanity. And humanity is only the religion which can bind ourselves with our soul, which can bind person to person. thousands of years ago, when religion word came into existence, it only means to follow the moral values by which you become a man, become a human, because you are human, not animal. The value says respecting your parents, obey your teacher, never try to get anything by wrong way, respecting women, don't commit crime. And these all are the values which make you man. In which religion it is not mentioned? If anyone can tell that in Quran Sharif it is mentioned to not obey your parents, not obey your teacher, then you can fight on religion. If in all the books, if in all the religion the values are same, the difference is only the difference is only the of language. So why you are fighting on religion? And if you are going to fight on religion, so fight for those who cannot get the rights by their religion. If anyone can discriminate it, not between the religion, you fight in the religion for those persons who are making the discriminations. In religious, when we are going to think about religious things, the things are going to be on a very straight way. Like in today's politics is also included in religious for just Hindus are the best, Muslims are the best. And why only the two castes, why there is only two religions are going to fight on each other? That if you are involved fighting, if you are involved religions in the politics, then where is the face of our nation? We should not be discriminated by any religion. We should make a intellectuality, we should follow a spirituality, what our religion says to us. I want to wrap up my words by the two lines. काश हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर से वैसे ही महान बने, काश हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर से वैसे ही महान बने, हर हिंदू स्वामी विवेकानंद, हर मुसलमान कलाम बने. Thank you so much. You have been a great audience of the day.